呼叫中国海警船252栋梁，呼叫中国海警船252栋梁。这里是中华民国海巡署巡护9号广播。中华民国与中华人民共和国互不隶属，这里是中华民国专属经济海域，你方在该海域不享有任何主权权利或管辖权。你的行为已经违反国际法，我要求你立即离开。Listen up, China Coast Guard. This is Taiwan's waters. This is not your waters. You don't belong here. Turn around and leave now. China Coast Guard.